girls, we're back on Wishtrend TV versus Acne series. If you haven't checked out our last episode, Wishtrend TV versus Body Acne, click the link. Today we will be talking about blackheads. We're gonna share with you every single details on blackheads and how to remove them, so stay tuned. Round 1. What causes blackhead? Sometimes your skin does not look good because of blackheads. Let's start with why we get blackheads and then move on to how to take care of them easily at home. Do you know why we get blackheads? It's because of overproduction of sebum. If overproduced sebum cannot be removed, it clogs in between your pores, and then when it meets oxygen, it turns black. Now that we know what causes blackheads, let's move on to round 2. Okay, so I'll give you guys a little tiny spoiler. If you use cleansing oil properly, you can remove blackheads and also prevent them. When we say you can remove blackheads by only using cleansing oil, we often get some comments like, I use cleansing oil, it worsens my acne, or I tried it, it didn't work. My guess is that you didn't do it properly. How you do it is the key here. So today we're gonna tell you how to remove blackheads step by step. Today we've invited a very special guest who has blackhead issues. Come on over here, welcome. 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
I know we've just met, but I think we should loosen up. You want to have a drink? Would it be okay if we checked out our blackheads under the microscope? 보죠. Oh yes. We're having some facial hairs, we're having sebums, and we're having blackheads for sure.
Oh.
Wow. That's impressive. Now that we had a closer look on our guest's blackheads condition, we will show you how we can remove them. You're gonna need cleansing oil and cleansing foam, and if you have any chance you can have a facial cleansing brush, I really recommend you to use them. To extract them nice and easy, first you have to open up those pores. So we're gonna put a warm towel on our nose for about a few minutes, okay?
Okay.
You can put a warm towel on your nose. If not, you can also do it after shower. And then pump the oil 4 times. Yes, I know it sounds a lot, but trust me, we need all of them so we can stop the irritation that the can give you. After this, gently massage the oil into your face. Now, pay attention. This is the most important step. It's called emulsifying. Have you heard about emulsifying? No, right? Emulsifying is when water and oil meets together and it becomes white. So if you see that, the thickness there, can you feel the thickness?
Yeah.
Thickness can remove the sebums out. So if you don't follow the step properly, the sebums will turn into acne because the oil will clog in. So here you go. Put some water on it.
Thank you.
So the final step is to use a foaming cleanser. As I said, oils, if they clog inside your pores, they can turn into acne. So it's very important to remove the excess oil with foaming cleanser. Okay, I think you're ready to wash your face. Okay, look forward to the outcome. Can you guys see how much clearer his skin got? What? Oh my god. Like, just by looking at him, like little bumps, they're all gone away. So we're gonna take a look with the microscope one more time and see if there's any difference. No way. No way. It's all gone. It's literally like half of it is gone. So yes, Yes, we can remove blackheads using oil cleansers without irritating our skin. So you can use this method every single day, whether you're wearing makeup or not. But if you get any irritations, just do it once in a few days. Also, it does not matter if you do have acne skin or oily skin or any other skin types, you can all use oil cleansers. Round 3, at-home blackhead cares. Let me tell you why we have to prevent blackheads by taking care of those at home. Did you know that blackhead is a type of acne? If you leave them on, the sebum will accumulate and enlarge the pores, and that's the start of a vicious cycle. That's why preventing blackhead is very, 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 very important. So now I'll tell you guys how to take care of them. Number 1, wash your face thoroughly. You can never ever say often enough with removing impurities and sebum on your face at the end of the day is very, very important. For foaming cleanser, we recommend you low pH ones. Like I said before, overproduction of sebum is the cause of blackheads. For foaming cleanser, we recommend you low pH ones. Like I said, the biggest cause of blackhead is overproduction of sebum. So it's very helpful to use low pH ones so you can have a good balance of oil and moisture. By doing so, you can have a healthy pH level of your skin, which will lessen the production of sebum. Number 2, exfoliate. I know it's annoying, but you have to exfoliate very regularly. If dead skin cells pile up on your pores, the sebum is very hard to discharge smoothly, and that is the fundamental cause of blackheads. To know more about this, check out our episode on exfoliation on Teen Beauty Bible. Number 3, blackhead removal aftercare. Soak the cotton pads in a toner with hyaluronic acid ingredients and put it in the fridge about 5 minutes. And when it's ready, put it on the area where blackheads were extracted. And then apply gel creams such as Cica Bombs that has a lot of moisture of mild moisturizer. Round 4, blackheads FAQ. We've searched get rid of blackheads and got a lot of results. Among them, we picked 3 methods and we'll give you some tips and tricks on them. Number 1, will pores be enlarged if you use peel off nose strip? Yes, it would. Because if you peel them off like a tape, it will enlarge your pores. We often cool down our faces so we can close enlarged pores, as if we put our toners or face mask in the fridge, right? It can help us a little bit, but once the pore is enlarged, it is really hard to get them back completely. Number 2, can I use Vaseline to remove blackheads? No, not completely, but some of them. Vaseline is a type of mineral oil, so they do dissolve sebum. But it is more of a physical action like massaging that removes blackheads. Number 3, how about using toothbrush and toothpaste? No. Toothpaste contains 50% of abrasive that gets rid of plaque. However, toothpaste contains surfactant to aid cleaning process, and that surfactant can also irritate your skin and also make your skin very, very sensitive. So do not use toothpaste on your face. Instead of that, use other products that are meant to remove blackheads. Lastly, there's something I really want to talk to you about: blackheads. Do not ever use strong or irritating products every day to remove blackheads. Especially if you're a teen and if you use these kinds of products regularly, such as nose peel-off strips, you won't be able to go back when you become an adult. Like I said, it is a start of a vicious cycle of getting enlarged pores and producing blackheads in them. But you can't just leave them on, we know. So just wait for a little bit and then use our method, and it will not give you a dramatic effect, but it will be a certainly a good start of a good cycle. So, what did you guys think about today's episode? If you have any questions, leave your comments down below. If you want to save your data, go follow us on podcasts and you can listen to them like a radio. We will leave our links down below on the description box, so make sure to check it out. We will be back very soon with another exciting episode, Wishtrend TV versus acne. Bye guys. Cheers, mate.